Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, does Vonage charge for call forwarding? I know this is a question that a lot of people are asking, so I wanted to take some time to break it down for you. What is call forwarding? Before we get into the specifics of Vonage's call forwarding charges, let's take a quick look at what call forwarding is. Call forwarding is a service that allows you to redirect your calls from one phone number to another. This can be helpful if you're expecting an important call while you're away from your desk, or if you want to forward your calls to your cell phone from your home phone. How does Vonage charge for call forwarding? Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. Does Vonage charge for call forwarding? The answer is, it depends. Vonage offers two different types of call forwarding. Basic call forwarding. This is the most basic type of call forwarding, and it's included in all of Vonage's plans. With basic call forwarding, you can forward your calls to any phone number, including cell phones, landlines, and even voicemail. Advanced call forwarding. This type of call forwarding offers more features, such as the ability to forward calls to different numbers based on the time of day or the caller's ID. Advanced call forwarding is not included in all of Vonage's plans, so you may need to pay extra for it. So, when does Vonage charge for call forwarding? Vonage will charge you for advanced call forwarding if you have a plan that doesn't include it. However, you will not be charged for basic call forwarding. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about Vonage's call forwarding charges. Vonage does not charge for long-distance calls that are forwarded. Vonage does not charge for international calls that are forwarded. Vonage does not charge for calls that are forwarded to a voicemail box. In conclusion, whether or not Vonage charges for call forwarding depends on the type of call forwarding you're using and the plan you have. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Vonage's call forwarding charges, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.